Today is a very special day. It is September 2nd, 2025. This is not just any day, this is the 80th anniversary of Vietnam's independence. In the heart of our nation, Hanoi, the air is electric. You can feel the energy, you can see the pride. The historic Ba Dinh Square is the center of it all. It is ready for a grand celebration. A sea of people has gathered here. They come from every corner of the country. They are waiting for a moment that will be etched into history. The sun rises over the capital, and its first rays touch the iconic Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, making the scene even more sacred and solemn. Look around. Everywhere you turn, you see a beautiful sight. The national flag, with its vibrant red background and a brilliant golden star, is flying high. It is everywhere. It hangs from the grand French colonial villas. It drapes from the balconies of old apartment blocks. It adorns the sleek, modern skyscrapers that now define our city's skyline. This single image unites everyone. It bridges the past and the present. It doesn't matter if you are old or young, rich or poor. Today, everyone shares this symbol of unity. It is a powerful reminder of our shared identity and our collective journey as a nation. The streets of Hanoi are alive with color and sound. They are not just streets today, they are galleries of patriotism. Billboards and banners carry messages of celebration. They congratulate the nation on 80 years of freedom and development. The atmosphere is filled with a unique blend of solemn respect and joyous festivity. People are gathering on their balconies, their faces turned towards the parade route. They are eager to watch the rehearsals. They want to be part of this historic event. The feeling of belonging is palpable. It is a day when every citizen feels deeply connected to the soul of Vietnam. As the official ceremony begins, a hush falls over the massive crowd in Ba Dinh Square. The only sound is the wind rustling through thousands of flags. This is the very place where history was made. 80 years ago, President Ho Chi Minh stood here and declared our independence to the world. Today, we stand on the same hallowed ground. We are not just spectators. We are the inheritors of that legacy. We are the living proof of a dream that was born right here. The air is thick with emotion, a mix of gratitude for the sacrifices of the past and a powerful hope for the future that we are all building together. Let's turn back the clock. It is September 2nd, 1945. Imagine the scene. On this very square, President Ho Chi Minh read the Declaration of Independence. His voice was strong and clear. He declared to Vietnam and to the whole world, Vietnam has the right to be a free and independent country, and in fact is so already. Those words were not just a statement, they were a promise. They were the birth certificate of a new nation, the Democratic Republic of Vietnam. That moment marked the end of decades of colonial rule. It was the beginning of a long and difficult journey toward true freedom and sovereignty. The path that followed that historic day was not easy. It was a path filled with hardship and sacrifice. Our country had to endure devastating wars to defend the independence we had just claimed. Our people showed incredible resilience. They showed unwavering courage. After the wars ended, a new struggle began, the struggle to rebuild a nation from the ashes. Cities were destroyed, fields were barren, the economy was in ruins. But the spirit of the Vietnamese people was never broken. We came together, we worked hard, we started the long and arduous process of healing and reconstruction. Then came a pivotal moment in our modern history, the Doi Moi, or renovation, policy. This was a brave decision to open up our country to the world. It was a time of great change. We embraced economic reforms and began to integrate with the global community. It was a new chapter. This transformation was not just about the economy, it was about changing our mindset. It was about looking outward. We learned, we adapted, and we grew. Vietnam, slowly but surely, transformed itself from a war-torn nation into a dynamic and developing country, earning respect on the international stage. Today, 80 years later, we can see the fruits of that long journey. Vietnam is a proud member of the international community. We are a nation known for our vibrant culture, our dynamic economy, and our friendly people. We have overcome immense challenges. We have turned obstacles into opportunities. This 80th anniversary is more than just a celebration. It is a moment to reflect on our incredible journey. It is a moment to honor the generations who sacrificed everything for our freedom. And it is a moment to look forward with confidence, knowing that we have the strength and resilience to achieve even greater things. This 80th anniversary is not only about looking back, it is also a powerful statement about our future. To mark this incredible milestone, our government has launched something truly amazing. On August 19th, a series of grand events took place across the entire country. A total of 250 major projects were either started or completed. This is not a small number. It is a massive, coordinated effort to push our nation forward. These projects represent a huge investment in our future, with a total capital of 1,280,000 billion Vietnamese dong. This shows the world, and ourselves, that Vietnam is dreaming big and building bigger. What are these projects? They are the building blocks of a modern, prosperous Vietnam. They include new highways that will connect remote regions and boost trade. They include modern urban developments that will improve the lives of millions of people. They include new industrial parks that will attract investment and create jobs. Each new bridge, each new factory, each new skyscraper is a symbol of our ambition. They are concrete evidence of our national strategy for growth and development. This is not just about steel and concrete, it is about building a stronger foundation for the generations to come, ensuring they have more opportunities than we did. This nationwide wave of development sends a clear message. It is a message of confidence. We believe in our potential. We believe in our people. We are investing in ourselves. For the young people of Vietnam, this is incredibly inspiring. You can see the future being built right before your eyes. It creates a sense of optimism and excitement. It shows that the country is moving in the right direction. This tangible progress makes our national pride even stronger. It is one thing to talk about a bright future. It is another thing to actively build it, brick by brick, project by project, all across our beloved homeland. These 250 projects are more than just economic indicators. They are a promise to the Vietnamese people. They are a promise of a better life, of greater connectivity, and of a more competitive nation on the global stage. As we celebrate our 80 years of independence, we are not resting on our laurels. We are rolling up our sleeves and working harder than ever. We are building a Vietnam that is strong, prosperous, and innovative. This is the spirit of 2025. It is a spirit of action, a spirit of progress, and an unshakable belief in the bright destiny of our nation. Back in Hanoi, the celebration is in full swing. The military parade is a sight to behold. It is a display of discipline, strength, and national pride. Thousands of soldiers march in perfect unison. Their footsteps echo through Ba Dinh Square. They represent the brave forces that protect our peace and sovereignty. But this year, there is something special. We see international delegations here. We even see soldiers from our neighboring country, China, participating in the drills. This shows that Vietnam is a friend to the world. It shows our policy of openness and our important role in the region. The real stars of the celebration, however, are the people. Look at the crowds. People from all walks of life are united in joy. You see veterans, their chests adorned with medals, watching with tears of pride in their eyes. They see the country that they fought for, now strong and peaceful. You see young people, their faces painted with the colors of the flag. They are full of energy and hope. You see children dressed in traditional Ao Dai or even miniature army uniforms, waving their little flags with pure happiness. This is a festival for everyone. It is a family reunion for the entire nation. The spirit of patriotism is infectious. It spreads from the capital to every city, town, and village. In Ho Chi Minh City, people gather to watch the fireworks. In Da Nang, communities organize cultural festivals. Even in the most remote mountain villages, the red flag with the golden star flies proudly. Today, we are not just 90 million individuals. We are one family. We are one heart. We are one nation, united by a shared history and a common dream. This collective joy is the most beautiful tribute we can pay to our independence. It shows that the spirit of 1945 is alive and well in the heart of every Vietnamese person. As this historic day comes to a close, let's hold on to this feeling. Let's carry this pride with us every day. Be proud of who you are. Be proud to be Vietnamese. Tell the world our story, a story of resilience, of courage, and of an unbreakable spirit. Let's spread this love for our country. Let's contribute our own efforts, no matter how small, to build an even better Vietnam. The journey of the past 80 years has been incredible, but the journey ahead is ours to write. Let's make it a story of even greater success, unity, and pride. Vietnam forever.